Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram post cannot be posted. So this could be a technical glitch within your app itself. To fix it, what you have to do is, you're going to have to restart your device first. After you have restarted your device, head over to your Play Store, search for Instagram, and see if your Instagram application is updated or not. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. From here, long tap onto your Instagram, tap on the eye icon. Let's go ahead and clear some cache. For that, you will see storage button, tap onto it. Then simply tap on clear cache. If you remember your Instagram credentials like your username and password, I also recommend you to clear the data. Read all these, select delete, and once done, come back onto app info page. Here select force stop, then select OK. Now, lastly, restart your device again. Launch your Instagram. Go ahead and add a post and it will fix your problem. Thank you for watching.